Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can find a job in Indeed. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Indeed, and when you're gonna be here, you just want to simply go on a main website or when you are using an app and just write here like data analyst or whatever job you want. Find jobs in New York, and I get like Hub International here. I'll click on it. Then I can like simply click here, apply on company site. And when I'm going to be here, I will just click here, apply now. And right here, apply again. And I will just sign in or create account. And this is how we do it with every single thing. You can like remote, date posted, salary estimate. You can like location, company, experience level. You can really choose which one you like. Apply now again. And here you just want to online resume or your own. And you can simply edit it. And this is how we do it. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye.